Let's say next week you have an exam. Today, when you were in a market, you saw a pen, right? And you thought of buying that pen. ठीक? So next day, you got up early, get ready, you went to the market, and you asked the shopkeeper, yeah, how much is the pen for? Shopkeeper said 120 rupees. Said नहीं भैया 120 कैसे? राइट? देखो मैं गरीब स्टूडेंट हूँ, ठीक है, 2 दिन से मैंने खाना नहीं खाया है, किताबें नहीं है मेरे पास प्रॉपर पढ़ने के लिए, नोटबुक नहीं है। हाँ, देखो ये कितना बढ़िया एग्जाम्पल है। यू गेव अ पीस ऑफ योर चॉकलेट टू योर ब्रदर, बट लेटर ऑन योर मदर गेव यू अ फुल चॉकलेट। दैट इज प्रॉफिट। बेटा पांचवी स्टैंडर्ड का बच्चा अपनी चॉकलेट किसी को देते बहुत मुश्किल है। चलो ठीक है। So let's say you thought of buying that pen, so you said to the shopkeeper, नहीं भैया कुछ तो डिस्काउंट चले मिलना चाहिए। ठीक है, your shopkeeper agreed with you and he said कि ठीक है, I'll give you this pen for rupees 100. You bought that pen for rupees 100. You came back home, right? Now your brother saw that pen, right? And your brother is asking you कि give this pen to me. Said नहीं है, मैं नहीं दूंगी या मैं नहीं दूंगा, right? I got up early, I went to the market, right? I came back, such a hard job, and I got this pen after negotiating so much with the shopkeeper. So I'm not going to give you this pen. Your brother said, okay, how much you bought this pen for? You are very honest. बहुत ईमानदार हैं आप। आपने कह दिया I bought this pen for rupees 100. Your brother said, okay, I'll give you 120. Give this pen to me. आपने सोचा कि 20 रुपए एक्स्ट्रा मिल रहे हैं, चलो सुबह से कुछ खाया भी नहीं है, एक समोसा ही खा लेंगे। You sold that pen for rupees 120. You bought it for rupees 100, but now you are selling it for 120. So you are selling it for more than what you have bought it for. That means you are making a profit, and you are making a profit of 20 rupees. How you calculated this 20 rupees? 120 minus 100. The price at which we sold minus price at which we bought. 120 minus 100, I got a profit of 20 rupees, 20 rupees extra. So anything that is extra will be my profit. Correct? Okay. Now you again went to the market. You visited the same shopkeeper. You said कि भैया एक और पेन चाहिए. And this time shopkeeper knew that you are very garib, right? You have not eaten since 2 days. You don't have money for notebooks and books. So he gave you the pen for rupees 100. He said कि ठीक है 100 रुपए दो ये पेन लो. ठीक है आपने 100 दिए, आप पेन लेके वापस चले. Now he came back home. Now father saw that pen and father is asking कि give me this pen. He said नहीं ये क्या लगा रखा है सुबह से. First brother took my pen. Now you are asking for my pen. मैं यही दिन भर मार्केट आता जाता रहूँ, right? So you said I'm not going to give you this pen. So your father asked you how much the pen is for. Still you are very honest. He said 100 rupees. Your father said, all right, I have only 80 with me. Right? Give this pen to me for 80. आप बोलेंगे नहीं I have bought it for 100. How can I give it to you for 80 rupees? तो फादर said सुबह जो 100 रुपीज से खरीदा था वो भी मेरे ही थे, या तो 80 में दे दो या मैं फ्री में ले लूंगा. आपने सोचा कि यार पेन फ्री में चला जाएगा, लेने को तो ले लेंगे, तो बड़े 80 में ही बेच दो. Right? So now you sold that pen for rupees 80. You bought for 100, you sold it for 80. Making profit or loss? Loss. How much? 20. How you calculated it? 100 minus 80. Price at which you bought the pen was 100. Price at which you are selling the pen is 80. So 100 minus 80, you are making a loss of 20. So this tells me that before understanding profit and loss, I should know about two prices. One is called cost price. In short, we write cost price as CP. Cost price is the price at which we buy an article. Cost price is the price at which we buy an article. So any price at which we buy an article is called cost price, right? And after that cost price comes another price which is called selling price. In short, we write selling price as SP. Right? Selling price is the price at which we sell an article. So any price at which we sell an article is called selling price. ठीक? And now, whenever your selling price is going to be greater than cost price, the price at which you are going to sell your article is going to be greater than the price at which you are going to buy an article, right? Is going to give you profit. And profit equals to selling price minus cost price. Selling price minus cost price. ठीक? So this tells me that whenever my selling price is going to be greater than cost price, I am going to make a profit, and that will be selling price minus cost. Similarly, if my selling price is going to be less than the cost price, that means if I am going to sell an article at a price which is less than the price at which I bought the article, in that case I am going to make a loss, and between that loss will be equals to cost price minus selling price. यहाँ तक की बात क्लियर है everyone? Right? So the price at which we buy an article is is cost price, and the price at which we sell an article is selling price. Understood? Right? So profit and loss clear. Now comes another concept that is called profit percentage. हालांकि आप इन फॉर्मूले का कहीं पर भी यूज नहीं करेंगे, लिखना चाहें तो लिख लीजिए. प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज इज प्रॉफिट अपॉन सीपी into 100, and we know that profit is SP minus CP. So profit percentage will become SP minus CP upon CP into 100. ठीक है? Same way, loss percentage is loss upon CP into 100, or since you know loss is CP minus SP upon CP into 100. ठीक है? हालांकि इनका कहीं पे यूज नहीं है, बट पता होना चाहिए. And remember that profit and loss percentage are always calculated on cost price. देखिए डिनोमिनेटर में हमेशा क्या है? Cost price. So profit and loss percentage are always calculated on cost price unless otherwise stated. That means by default you are going to calculate profit or loss percentage always on cost price unless you are being told it to calculate on some other price. ठीक है? That is the case. तो बस इतना सही है profit and loss. If you can understand this, right, questions are going to become very easy. See, a man buys a cycle for rupees 1400 and sells it at a loss of 15%. What is the selling price of the cycle? First, we will calculate 15% of 1400. Right? Profit and loss percentage are always calculated on cost price. So, first I am going to calculate that this 15% of loss on 1400 is how much? तो आपने क्या किया होगा इस तरीके से, that 15% of 1400 is how much? 210 rupees. So I am making a loss of 210 rupees on 1400. So 1400 minus 210, यानी कि मेरी सेलिंग प्राइस क्या हो गई? 1190. वेरी गुड. राइट, आंसर सही है, तरीका गलत है. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू सॉल्व इट दिस वे. व्हाई? राइट नाउ आई गेव यू cost price and I asked you what will be my selling price. But suppose if I give you selling price, अब इस तरीके से cost price निकलेगी, आप क्या करेंगे फिर उस केस में? मान लीजिए अगर ये सेलिंग प्राइस होती, ये कॉस्ट प्राइस नहीं, ये सेलिंग प्राइस है, that if you sell an article for 1400 you make a loss of 15%, what would be the cost price? तो फिर एक एक ऑप्शन आपको उठा के कॉस्ट प्राइस से चेक करना पड़ता है कि 15% का लॉस कहाँ पे 1400 देता है. राइट? So now we need a comprehensive method. We need a method using which I can solve both cost price and selling price. So how I'm going to do that? See, first you tell me, in order to calculate this 15% loss, what should I know first? What should be known first to me? profit and loss are always calculated on, profit and loss percentage are always calculated on cost price. So in order to calculate any profit or any loss, first I should know my cost price. And remember that in percentage, any value that should be known first to me is always 100%. In percentage, any value that should be known first to me, that should be known initially to me, is always 100%. Right? So now I'm making this 15% loss, but this 15% loss is going to be made on cost price. Right? So let's say cost price is 100%. आप स्कूल टाइम में याद है क्या करते थे? आप कहते थे कि लेट्स से कॉस्ट प्राइस इज 100 रुपीस, ऑन 100 रुपीस 15% लॉस, 15 रुपीस, then 15 100 minus 15 85 rupees. आप ऐसे करते थे ना, right? Now see, adding percentage in rupees is difficult, but adding percentage in percentage is easy. That's why instead of taking cost price as to be 100 rupees, I am taking cost price to be 100%. Let's say my cost price is 100%. On 100%, I am making a loss of 15%. So my selling price will be, see, if I subtract this loss from cost price, I'll get my selling price. क्यों? क्योंकि loss क्या होता है? CP minus SP. CP minus SP. तो यहाँ पर अगर मैं CP को इधर ले आऊँ, CP minus loss कर लूँ, ठीक है? या फिर आप चाहें तो loss को इस तरफ ले जाइए और SP को इधर ले आइए, तो SP बराबर क्या हो गया? CP minus loss. So if I'm going to subtract this loss from my cost price, I'll get my selling price. So cost price is 100%, loss is 15%, 100% minus 15%, my selling price will be 85%. 85% of cost price, जिसमें से subtract किया उसी में से ही तो मिलेगा ना वैल्यू. 85% of cost price. So 85% of cost price is my selling price. 85% cost price कितना है? 1400. And this will be equals to my selling price, जो मुझे पता करना. ठीक है, तो अब ये चीज कर दी, ये इसको जब आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 2 34 34 5 9 3 कैरी 3 कैरी 1190. ठीक है, so whenever you are going to subtract your loss from the cost price, you will get your selling price. If you are going to make a profit, you will add that profit in your cost price, you will get your selling price. So add profit in your cost price, you will get your selling price. Subtract loss from your cost price, you will get your selling price. Is it clear? देखिए, a merchant loses 10% by selling an article. If the cost price of the article is rupees 15, the selling price of the article is. See, the merchant is making how much loss? 10%. But to calculate this 10% loss, what should be known first to me? Cost price. So let's say cost price is 100%. On 100%, I am making a loss of 10%. That means I am selling the article for 90%. 90% of cost price. So 90% of cost price is my selling price. 90% of cost price is 15 is equals to my selling price. ये कट गया, ये कितना आया? 135/10 कितना होता है? 14. अब देखिए. Now if I change the question, now my question is, by selling an article for rupees 960, a man incurs a loss of 4%. By selling an article for 960, so this 960 is my selling price. A man incurs a loss of 4%. But tell me, to make this loss of 4%, what should be known first to me? Cost price. So let's say cost price is 100%. On 100%, if I am making a loss of 4%, that means my selling price will be 96%. 96% of cost price. So 96% of cost price is my selling price. As per the question, my selling price is 960. So this will be equals to 960. In 96 से कटा 10 times 100 उस तरफ गया तो cost price कितना आया? 10 into 100 1000.